Trojan Win32 Occamy is a detection of Microsoft Defenders that you can see popping up in the system. It typically flags a threat that targets at dealing significant damage to the computer, but can in certain cases be a false alarm. In this video, I will explain its dangers, show how to understand that the threat is false, and how to remove the real threat. In normal situations, Trojan Win32 Occamy can flag a wide variety of malicious programs, from loaders, spyware, and backdoors to ransomware. The Occamy name is totally generic. There is no big malware family that has such naming. The signatures that are used to detect this malware are not very reliable, which leaves plenty of room for incorrect detections, but we will get back to it later. Symptoms of the active malware may differ, as different virus types behave differently. The general rule of thumb for modern malware is that they tend to show as little visual activity as possible. All you can expect is seeing your network traffic consumption going up, console windows blinking, and your files becoming impossible to access. But in a few days, other effects may pop up. Online accounts that you have on the infected PC may start sending tons of spam messages, which is a definite sign of them being hijacked. There is also a possibility of this detection being a false positive. As I said, rules used for this detection are not highly reliable. If the defender cannot find the digital certificate of the file or it is expired, it can indicate the file as dangerous, as a lot of functions and calls that normal programs use also appear in malware. The certificate in this case is the only way to distinguish between good and bad. According to user reports, it is possible to encounter this detection flagging Steam or Microsoft Office files. It is highly unlikely for these to be malicious in any way, especially if both were obtained from a legitimate source. If you see Microsoft Defender flagging a safe and legit application as malicious, you can just dismiss the alarm. But how to understand that Trojan Win32 Occamy is a real detection? Manual analysis may be complicated, especially since malicious programs can sometimes mix their files with legit applications. For that reason, I recommend running a second opinion scan with Win32 and Malware. It will quickly reveal whether there is any threat to your system or not. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan, so the program will go through all the system elements, down to configuration files and hidden folders. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to remove the detected malware. If no detections appear during the scan, then you have likely seen a false positive detection. But when there are malicious programs, I would recommend you to reset all the passwords that you have in the system. This way, cybercriminals will not be able to use the leaked credentials. In any case, good luck and stay safe online.